So, welcome to the backdrop of the Colorado Martini studio. This is where we do all our lives for our three channels, Colorado Martini, Martini at Home, and the Generations Found. We also do the Strange video podcast, which is on Generations Found. We do that right here. So we do everything from here. What you don't see is I've got some computer screens, but I bought something for the studio that I'm going to unbox, and it's a laptop projector tripod stand. And so basically, it's on a tripod. You can put your laptop here, or it's got this extension for your phone. What's cool too is that we have a projector that we use in the summertime in our backyard to watch movies as a family, and we can use it for that too. And it's always been an issue because we would have to move tables around and get it just right to put the projector on. Now we've got a nice tripod. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so that's what we got going here. So, laptop projector stand. It says it's made in China. Looks like I can open it this way. I needed a knife there for a second, but I don't. Alright. Been wanting one of these for a long time. This had really good reviews, and it wasn't that expensive. It was like $30, which, you know, it's not expensive for equipment like this. So this is the platform that your laptop goes on. It's a really good size. I mean, look at the size of that. It's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. It's a nice big size. So, and then these are the poles. It looks very easy to assemble. Okay, this looks like to hold your phone. Okay. Yeah, normally when you see something like that, it's to hold your phone. This expands and it holds your phone. And so it's just like a regular tripod, you know, a camera tripod. Not much difference to it. And my big thing is that I want to know how, you know, big it expands. Oh, wow, this is sturdy. And very hard. As far as it goes, I think so. I don't think it goes out anymore. All right, yeah, that's very sturdy. Okay, so it's got these different knobs to adjust it. This one, I'm gonna have to figure out what that one's for because it's not. Well, that's to tighten something down. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Okay. Alright, so that's really sturdy. This, I don't care for it being out extended that much. So let's see. I don't want to force it because I don't want to break it. Alright. So, looks like that this is the middle bar. Come with any kind of directions. It's you have the picture to go by. Yeah, you have this picture to go by on the box here. So because this has kind of grooves in it, I'm pretty sure that this is the top piece. So where this one doesn't. Okay. So this just basically tightens it. Oh, I did it too far, it looks like. The washer came out. Okay. So, and you want this to be sturdy because you don't want your laptop falling off. God, this is a lot taller than I thought it was. All right. So, I kept having to move my camera back so you could see what was going on because this thing keeps getting taller and taller and taller. All right. So I'm going to put this in here. So this adjusts quite a bit. I mean, look at that. There's a lot of give in that one where you don't have it in this bottom part. So this is where you adjust your height, is in here. So we're going to keep it down low so you can continue to see it. And then, you know, this piece had those grooves in it, but this doesn't have grooves. So, God, it's almost like a music stand. All right. That is cool. So, I mean, it really extends. I mean, probably close to 5 feet. So, yeah, that is cool. I actually saw a professional interviewer, you know, a news interviewer, using one of these, interviewing somebody. They would do like a side shot of him, and they'd have the person on Zoom on his laptop sitting here. And I was like, God, that was really cool to have. I could really use one of those when we're being interviewed or we're interviewing somebody. So this is very cool. I like how sturdy it is. It comes with no instructions at all, unless I missed them in the box or something. Nothing really needed. It's pretty simple. So you have the box to go by the picture to see, you know, how to adjust it and how to, you know, set it up. Now, it also comes with this, and I'm going to put a link down in the description to this exact one I got, but it comes with this extender, and this is, it attaches onto here, and this is for your phone. Okay, so you have notches here, you know, screw threads and screw threads here. So you can either go like this and screw it on this way, so your filming is horizontal, or you can do it this way to hold your phone so you can do a vertical shot. Well, I do everything horizontal pretty much when it comes to, you know, the use of this, it will be horizontal. So your phone would just attach on to there. I'll have to show you in a picture because I'm using my phone to film this. But if I was to look up here where it attaches, okay, so there's little holes on here. So on the top of this, there's little holes. So I think we just put it on that. So you can either be on either side. You've got holes over here too on the other side, so you can attach it to either side. So that's pretty cool. So it holds your phone. Very cool. So this is how I'm going to use it. The laptop's going to go here, face me that way, and I don't have to prop a bunch of boxes like I normally do. I normally have like plastic drawers I put on the table and I stack them up to, you know, bring the camera up to eye level, and because I use a laptop mostly, and it just it's just a complete hassle. This is great. I just put the laptop on it and there I go. And then this extender here for the phone is really cool. So I kind of wanted to show you how I normally do it, where I've got a box up here and I have to reach to my keyboard and I've got my mouse down here. I'm about ready to go live with my video talk show, The Strange, on Generations Found. And so I'm not ready to use that quite yet. So I need to get a wireless keyboard that I'll put here. I'll have my mouse, and then this will be up on that new stand behind the table. So, and as you can see, I use my guest room as my studio. So nothing majorly fancy, if you know, nothing to write home about. So anyway, so this will work out a lot better for me, especially when I'm doing my live podcasts on Generations Found. We don't go live as much as we used to on Colorado Martini. And when I go live on Martini at home, I'll probably not be in the studio. It will probably be me cooking, or I'm out and about hiking or something like that. And then with Generations Found, we go live in the cemeteries that we go to, and then this talk show, The Strange, which is on Generations Found. It's also a podcast, but right now I have the podcast down up on the different podcast stations. So check us out on those other stations, and I totally recommend, getting this. This is awesome. I can't wait to use it.